just experienced my first night in the camper van. Well, I slept okay, but it's very difficult to keep yourself organised. And if you look over here, there's all my cases and coats and towel. The shower was quite nice. Went over to the block and had a shower, and now I need to sort myself out, and it's rained overnight as well. I've just put myself in for a second night at another campsite called Camp Summers, but that's, you know, $26, so it all adds up. Yeah, okay, one down, 13 to go. Raining now, and we're cooking in the back of the van. So gosh, it's pretty basic, this. Might have been more sensible to try to find a van that has a roof that goes up and down, because you're always bending over. So another disadvantage of camper vans. Took all the utensils over to the communal area, because they've got nice hot water there and decent sinks, and washing up liquid and all the stuff you need to do the washing, unlike here where it's not really supplied. Also, I borrowed a couple of these freezer packs for the chili bin. This is one of these chili bin things, as they call them, cold boxes, and you have to put these freezer packs in, so there's not even a little fridge that you could plug into the power. I mean, you know, there's the power supply, and it's useful for charging up your laptops and stuff like that, but you know, there's no connection in the vehicle other than a lead that just runs to a multi-point board, so it's not wired in for lighting or anything like that. So that's not very impressive. And it's still raining. On my way to another campsite. I'm now in Mayfield. Let's have a look. I don't think there's very much here in Mayfield. So this one was $20, but she's put me on a powered site, even though she's only charged me for an unpowered site, so that's quite useful. But I mean, basically all I've got is a socket and an extension board. So yeah, anyway, let's have a look around. See what we've got here. Oh, okay, that'll do. And some showers. Ooh. So, shower. Right, it's the evening, and how are we doing? 9 o'clock and starting to get dark. So I'm setting up the camper van for bed mode. So there's a couple of boxes that make the bed with a gap in the middle that you sort of sit in, and there's these big bits of plywood that go crash bang wallop on a couple of ledges here. So you put that on there. So there's one there. Right, and we move over and get the other one. And having got the base down, from underneath I've pulled out the bed covers. So what I now have to do is grab the sheet and lay the sheet out on the bed like this, down like that. I'm not sure if you're supposed to tuck it in or anything, but well, I suppose it doesn't really matter. You just sort of lay it over, and then you chuck the pillows up there, and you pull the duvet cover down here, lay that over like that. So this is the second night, and I've got up, gone to have a shower, so eventually it ran warm, so that was quite nice. And now I'm sorting out the bedding in the camper van. You have to completely sort of reorganise everything. I'll show you. What you have to do is to put it in this box here. So it all goes underneath there, so you have to fold everything up, and these are the sort of cushion mattresses. That's just 3 inches of foam really, and yeah, that's a routine I'm going to have for another 12 nights. A cup of coffee using this. Now, given that I'm only 2 days in, it's running out of gas. I mean, how useless is that? Total waste of time.